how to use threads on Instagram. So all you have to do is actually go to your Instagram application. So before we start, I am expecting that you already have the thread application. So for those who don't have it yet, then I highly recommend you to actually go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have there, and then just tap on Instagram Threads here, and then just download Threads and Instagram application. Now, let's go back here to our Instagram application. Now, it will lead you to your home page directly, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is to actually tap on your profile icon on the bottom right there. And here on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there, the burger icon, tap on that. And here you will see threads, tap on threads here. And now you're invited and get threads here. Now, it will lead you to your App Store or Play Store directly, right? Now, what you want to do is after downloading the application is you can go directly to Threads here and basically just connect your account. You can import the information from your Instagram application, and basically you will have this profile here. Now, it actually works like Twitter. So here on homepage you will see the feed area or the post from your random people or like the people you follow, your friends on Instagram. And here you can search the people or the topics, and then here you will be able to create a thread or your post where anyone can reply, since I've actually set it on public. Now here on your in your activity, you will see notifications about everything. You can actually sort it by replies and verified. Now here on your profile icon, you can actually edit your profile here. If you tap on edit profile, you can add link here, erase your bio, change your DP or your profile there, depends on you. And then on here on the upper right, you will see these two dash lines here. You will see the settings area. Basically, you will see the follow and invite friends, your notification, your privacy, your account help, about, and of course to log out your account. So it's very easy to use. And basically that is how you use threads on Instagram, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.